Hello and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. Now in this tutorial I'll show you how to use the Moonlight app on Android TV, TV box, Google TV, anything running on Android operating system. For this tutorial you have to get the Moonlight app. Now to get the Moonlight app I want to navigate to apps, go to Google, and now you're going to search for the Moonlight app. So just type in Moonlight and you should find it suggested. So not the movie, you're not looking for the movie, you're looking for the application. So I'll even suggest when you see apps like this that have a lot of suggestions which are not applications, I prefer you type in Moonlight app. So when you have apps that are highly suggested, type in Moonlight app instead of just Moonlight. So now that you have Moonlight app on the toggle, click on it, navigate to the one that has a Google play.google.com Moonlight game streaming. Click on that one and you should have an install button right here. In my case, I have an open button and an uninstall button because I have this app already installed. If you do not have it installed already, install it. That will begin the download process and it will install to your app library. When you have that app in your app library, just click on open from here or open it from the app library and you're going to be greeted with this page. You have to understand that you need sunshine for this to work. This is a host. The way this works is that you're going to use your Android TV screen as a monitor for your PC, which is most likely going to be a gaming PC because it's used for streaming on games. So search for a host PC on your local network. You find the host PC, click on it, connect, and that will be the route that will make your TV serve as a monitor for your gaming experience on your laptop. Now, install Sunshine is running on your host PC or game stream is enabled in the GeForce Experience Shield settings. That will ensure you have a smooth experience using the Moonlight application for game streaming. Now, if you found value in that tutorial, hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, join the family for more content like this.